Welcome back to another video. Today we got oxtails. I just came from the Caribbean spot, the Jamaican spot, and I got me some oxtails, rice and peas, and some yams. We about to do a food review real quick for lunch and see what it's here for. I told you I was gonna be consistent and persistent. Now we here. Let's dig in. I'm gonna try the oxtails first because they calling my name, and I'm gonna go with this one. Y'all. Get a little video in for y'all real quick. Oh, this thing is tender. I don't know. This thing is tender. Let's go. Oh, this is good. They're very tender. Melt in your mouth tender. Oh, I forgot to tell you, I got carrots in here. Kind of good. I think these are potatoes. Oh yeah. Let's hit them. I need to get some more of that rice though. Get some more of that rice. And try these yams real quick for y'all. Try these yams. This here. Oh yeah, I'll definitely come back here. My first time eating at this spot. I'll definitely come back home. This rice smacking, I ain't gonna cap. It looks like it has some, I'm gonna say lima bean. I don't know, they're like a lima bean. Some type of bean. White bean, some type of bean. I don't know. Go back to this oxtail real quick. Damn. Let me get some more out. Let me take a fucking hit. This shit good. I don't know how I'm gonna talk to y'all right now. When I tell you, this right here ain't nothing to play with. Ain't nothing to play with. Ain't nothing like Caribbean food. I love trying other people's culture. I like trying their food. As you can see, we did Lebanese, I did Mexican with the tacos. Now I'm trying Caribbean. When you see a person scrape the plate, you know. You know. All right, got one more bite. I'm gonna get the last bit of rice right here in this corner. One more bite. You know the last bite be the best bite. The first bite and the last bite. Hold on, I ain't done. A little more. A little more. That right there. Hey, there you have it. Another review in the books. thank y'all for watching. Let me know what you think about that food in the comments. If you have anywhere else that you would like me to try and give a review on, let me know in the comments. I thank y'all. Y'all have a great day. Blessings and abundance. I appreciate you for watching. Share this video, hit that like, hit that subscribe button, and that bell notification for the next one that drop. I'm out. You